Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create effect on your Canva and like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to create a split color text effect on Canva, so first if I just click on insert option for the text and add a text here. So I'm just going to type as text here. So and then I just going to resize it. So it will look like this. You can just resize to the max so you can have that effect and just center it like this. After center it, you just can change the fonts so you can see how bold it was, so it look nice. If you want, you can just change to another boldness like this, whatever that you want. So here it's just going to look like this. Otherwise, okay, you can just make like this. So now I'm just going to resize it. The same process, you can just change it and just keep on the center. Now just change the color of the background first of all. So here I'm just going to choose as purple, and now I'm just going to the element option. Here in line and shape, you just pick any square option and just change the color, whatever color that you want. I'm just going to choose white, and I'm just going to resize it to the half of the page like this, and you just want to end like this. Okay, and now click on the position option here on the top and just go and just move it to the back. Now you just select this text and change the color to white, and select this text and change the color to the purple or violet that you given color here. So now it's look like this, and you can also adjust the thing to this or this. So now you can see this is how you just create a split color text effect on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.